Price Home. Hi, this is Scott Price, inviting you to save 45% off any one piece of Tom's Price furniture during our 45 off for the Fork sale, now through Monday, July 8th. Celebrate with savings on sofas, tables, mattresses, seasonal outdoor furniture, and made in the USA Stickley. Save 50% on hand-knotted rugs in our new Tom's Price Home Rug Studio. Visit tomsprice.com for directions and store hours. All stores open July 4th, noon to 5 p.m.
You know M.J. Miller & Company as the trusted family jeweler when trading in unwanted gold, silver, and diamonds. But did you know they also sell gold and silver coin and bullion? This is important due to the uncertainty in the market. Gold prices are on the rise, and so are the scams. Choosing the right gold dealer is almost as critical as the item itself. And trust M.J. Miller with this important purchase, and rest easy knowing you are paying a fair price for your golden investment. Call 847-381-7900 or visit mjmillerjewelers.com.
Ike was such a sweet, lovable animal, and people would want to pet him, and they'd come up, and they'd get close to him, and it would be this instant, oh! My dad didn't want to touch him. It's like, ooh, get the stinky dog away from me.
Even after we'd give her a bath, she would still stink.
Very stinky, both bad breath and bad gas. I asked the vet, and he said some dogs are just stinky.
Does your dog itch, scratch, stink, or shit like crazy? Come to Dinovite for help.
DINOVITE.com.
The omega-3 fatty acids.
Flaxseed, zinc, alfalfa, the digestive enzymes that are cooked out of regular dog food. The ingredients convinced me that it was definitely worth trying. After about a week, he started smelling normal. My husband and I were